Welcome back to Human Fall Flat, where today I try to move a speedboat off of land. Okay. Run! I need to make it. Run for my life! Run! There we go. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. That's not good. Oh, perfect. Just driving an upside down boat, of course, because I'm a cat and I don't understand how to use boats. Oh no, I'm gonna drown. I think I'm gonna need to restart the level. Okay. Ugh. Oh, I have really cute little cat paws. It's really good that I did that with those cat paws because they look so good. I shall go that way. Yes, yes, yes. Bam. Got there. Kinda need this boat to get out of the way. I still don't really know what it's gonna be for. Maybe I actually need to go over there, but I think I could just do that in the rowing boat. But apparently not. Okay, I think I only need one really. Because won't it just roll the whole way with only one? I don't think I really need to. Okay, this is the trickiest part actually. Just getting it to get right in there. There we go. Okay. How am I gonna lift it up to get... Wait, can I do it here? Yes! How about... Yes! Oh, I'm strong. With my little cat muscles. Get on the boat! Oh no. No, 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 no! No, I need to do it again. I'm disappointed. My little cat muscles can climb. I used all my strength on the boat. That's not good. Just push it. I didn't think it was gonna restart. How did I do it? I know it was this side. Maybe you have to do it this side. Right, it's doing something. I don't think it's enough. Yeah, I definitely need to pull that right down. Okay, can I do it now? Oh, I don't think I really put it right. Yeah, okay, that's good. Oh, it stopped. Okay. Yes! Okay, where do I need to go? This way? I don't actually know. All of these places, I feel like I could have just gone in the other boat. So I don't really know why I need it. No, don't get it on land again. Don't, could I not just... Well, I would have thought I could just go and get to there either climbing over... Oh no. Either climbing over or just driving the other boat there. Okay, so now I have 3 boats, and I got no idea. Well, that one I don't even know how to cross. I kind of want to go up on that other one, the little ride thing, and I feel like I should be going there, so that's where I'm gonna go. This is gonna be tricky. It's a tricky driving, I suppose. I don't even know if this is how I'm supposed to be doing it. Okay. Why don't you get right over there with this? It's not completely. Okay, it's in the water. Why is it? I don't. Wait. Don't hit into the boat. No. I want to go this way. Do I need to go this way? Ugh. Okay, this is. Actually, I'm just going to use this. I don't know what that one's for. I can't. I'm quite good at using this, but. What would I do up there? It's just... Oh! There's something that lowers down, and also there's a... there's just a random... lever there. Let's see what this does. Do I need need to put the boat in one of these or like something like that to like spin it? Or do I need to just... It's not spinning. I thought it would be spinning. Maybe I need to just get that and push it one time. Maybe... I don't know. Sounds a little bit too complicated. Just... oh no. No. I don't actually know. Oh wait, there's something up there. Okay, I need to use my cat climbing skills. Oh. No, wait, what? I gripped onto that. Oh. Yes. Okay. Hopefully it should save. Oh, wait, there's no staircase here. Oh, that's gonna let all the water out, isn't it? Okay, there we go. Oh, I see what I have to do, I think. Look, so this, if I take that off and then attach it to this, it can't leave, but I got no idea what that's for. And I know that leads down to a place that I cheated my way through last time. But could I just take that off and just make all the water go flying out? Because I really want to do that. And there's also something there. I'll see what that is. Why would I want to do that? So that's just making... Oh, okay, so that just made all the water. Oh, wait, something happened. Oh, yep, okay. Well, I don't really know what's that used for. Oh, okay. Can I go down there with that? Because that would be really fun. Oh no! Wait, what? I'm going through it. Oh no, no! I don't really want to risk just falling all the way down. Oh no. Okay. I guess I have to go down now because I chose to do it. Oh no! Oh no, wait. I don't really want... Wait. Will this lead me into... Oh, now that's moving. Okay. Saving. Could have saved me before that if it didn't... Because that was scary. I thought I was gonna just die. Okay. Just get up here. This is fun. Oh no. Oh. I'm gonna go upside down. Oh wait, no, no. Oh wait. Yep, I'm going upside down here. Wait, what was this gonna do anyway? What am I doing? Is that... No, that doesn't do anything. I'm drowning because of this. Help me. I don't know what that was for. Wait, what was that for? So now I can get here, but why would I want to be on here? I can get here. Oh wait. So this is how I get down there. It's not really... I can't really pull it. Oh, okay. Let's put it. Okay. Let's go. It's one of those little bouncy things. Whee! Yes! I've completed the level finally. Oh! Wait, oh no. Oh, I thought that just got lost. Because I think I just need... Oh. There's some more stuff here. But do I just look this way? Hey mate? Oh, no. What's this? Oh, it looks like I can take them out. Is it? Oh, I can. So I can take them out. Oh, okay, and now that's stopped. Oh, it's made it slower. Oh, okay, so I need to bring all of the wires from the last thing to here so I can plug them in. So I can get through wherever I'm supposed to be. Okay. Now I need to just take this out. And this. There we go. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional wire person with I can save anyone's internet or whatever I want. I don't really know what this is gonna do. Oh, is that? Yeah, that's the door, I think. That one. Needs to go the red one. Just give me that one. Okay, I like this. This is fun. I like solving puzzles. Well, how are you gonna close this thing now? Can I now move it? I don't see what that did. What? Did that do something to this? I don't even. Oh wait, no, I must have accidentally unplugged it. Okay. Now what? This? That's fine. So I'm good at it. I think I need to move it because it's very far away. Can I? Yeah, I can. There we go. Now I can just put that right. Nope, wrong one. Oh, now the other one is. Right. It's upside down. Okay. And then I put this one in here. Now I just need to get that. I could have probably just grabbed it. Okay, so what's this? Just something I can climb over. Okay, that's fine. What's out of that? Climb over. Oh, okay. That's not good. Oh, this is not the way that I wanted it to go. Okay. Oh, okay. It's not useful. Wait, I want to use a different method. Like so, is it like this? Okay. I just want to. Oh, well that's useful, isn't it? Maybe. Oh wait, no, I thought this was the same. But Hopefully that did anything. No. I don't understand what that's for. Can I now just take it? Maybe I just need to plug it in here. Okay. Now what? So far this is quite easy. All I'm really doing is just plugging things in and unplugging them to get fans out of the way. So yeah. I did skip one of the rooms by climbing over it. Wait, is that not? What am I supposed? What am I supposed to do? Do I close it? Well, you can't because that's in the way. Okay, I don't really know what's going on there. I'm just gonna skip. How am I supposed? Oh wait, I know this is not how you're supposed to do it, but there we go. I think it might be tricking me into thinking I have to do that, but I think all I have to do is drive this. Oh wait, how do I change direction? Oh. Okay. Okay. I think that's at the right angle. I want to get the wheel straight. No, that way. I think. Yes, okay. Was that actually just trying to trick me all that time? Okay. That's cool. Wait, how am I gonna get... Wait, so I have that. What's the power thing that I need to get this to? I bet it's on the other area. Oh. Do you think I could use this? No, because that's just stuck to the ground. Maybe I could use the wire. To be honest, I don't. This area is boring. Can I just leave? Oh my god! Wait, can I ask? I want to. Okay, that's fine for 2 minutes. I can just. So I want it to be like that. Oh, but it goes back. So I have to get it and then put it on the thing and then quickly go back and do it. This is not that quick. Okay. Okay, I think I know what I'm supposed to do now. Or maybe I'm just doing it the wrong way. But it should work either way. Maybe not actually. Yes. Now I do that. And then I do this. Yes. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but it works for me. Well, this is confusing. I might skip a level because it looks too confusing. Maybe it's not. The other one did look quite confusing. Okay, one more. Oh! That looks so. Do I need to put this in here? Probably. Oh, do I need to put one physical and H1? And just close it. Oh, wait. don't really know why I'm doing this. I don't even know if I'm supposed to. Maybe. Oh, I think it might be telling me that I can just. So I need to put 3 in one of them, and maybe I need to go and get coal from somewhere else because there's not enough. Oh, okay, so there's 3 in there. Do I just need to fill each room? So I think I'm gonna do this in the next video. Yeah, so thank you for watching and bye.